Hey there, Amazon. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and tonight we are talking about the best knife blocks on Amazon. You guys, this is one of the coolest ones out there. It's from Calphalon. It is an amazing price. It looks beautiful, and there is a lifetime warranty. You guys, this is amazing. This is exactly what you think of when you think of a classic knife block set. They didn't reinvent the wheel here. Obviously, when you look at it, it just looks super classic. You've got the wood block, you've got the black handles. It just looks like a normal knife block. But this one is so cool for two really cool reasons. One, it is self-sharpening. Okay, so what does that mean? That means every time you take your knife out of the block, there's a little sharpening edge on each of the slots that is going to sharpen your knives for you. Every single time you use them, they're gonna get a little sharper, they're gonna stay sharp. It's not something that you have to think about, it's not a chore to do, it's not one more thing on your to-do list, it just is automatically done. So smart, so convenient, that it doesn't take up any extra space, you hardly even notice it on the knife block, it's just right, a little rim on the inside where you stick the knives in. But it's so smart and so functional and just, an amazing thing that is going to make your knives that much more functional. Okay, so number two, second thing that I think is so cool about this knife block set and just so genius, there are little, very discreet, nothing, over the top, nothing ugly, but just little labels on each of the knives to let you know which one is which. You don't always end up putting your knives back in exactly the right spot. I know I'm guilty of that anyway. And so then the next time you're looking for your chef's knife quickly, or your paring knife, or your serrated knife, you gotta kind of go through playing knife roulette and picking out which one you think it might be. It's a hassle, it's a waste of time, it's really inconvenient. Instead, with this set, you're never gonna have to do that again. You're just gonna be able to glance over and know exactly which knife you are picking up, and it's going to sharpen it for you. So really, really amazing knife set that has these really cool features, really unique, plus lifetime warranty. It's got a triple riveted handle. It's stainless steel. It's amazing quality. They stand by it. You guys go ahead and put this on your cart. You are gonna be so glad that you